Hello and welcome back to BFAM.
BFAM is here! BFAM is here! Hey, Ellis.
Yes.
Man, I got this new product.
What is it?
And it is from Work Sharp Culinary.
Okay.
It's a knife sharpener, electric knife sharpener.
Really?
It is really, really neat, man. I had such problems with using a whetstone to sharpen my knife. You know, you'd have to go from one grade to another grade.
A lot of work,
lot of work. The real problem was with the whetstone was that it has these guides built into it.
Okay.
I had a little plastic guide that snapped onto the actual knife, and it would never keep the angle that I needed, that precise angle, which we all know in the United States happens to be a 20-degree cut. Right? This comes with a 17-degree cut, automatically. So all you have to do is just place the knife into the slot, and you do click on the thing 3 times, and it starts out on a sharpening level, and it drops down for a perfect amount of time. So you can do it on one side, then you do it on the other side.
Oh, that's nice.
Comes out really sharp. You fine print it when you get that little bit of a burr. You knock that burr off using the actual metal. Ceramic, and you can slide it down, knocks it down perfect. You can take a piece of paper and just cut it.
This I have to see.
Well, let me show you.
Okay.
I'd like to show you, how good it is with real products. Like, so when you're dealing with onions and you don't want to be crying all the time,
Always
you gotta work with a sharp knife. You just gotta. This is the only way you can handle it.
Well, I have a lot of dull knives, so if this works, I want to see how it is.
Yeah, we'll definitely try that out. All right, that's what it is. You need to start with a wet rag or towel. Put it down so that you can have a safe surface to cut with. Get a nice cutting board. Place that down here. And this way it won't move as much. Surface. So that it's nice and stable, won't walk away from you. Okay, so do it on both sides. You want to save your scraps, obviously, for stock. If you work with a sharp knife and you don't like prying for onions, that's the only way to work. If you like prying, then you do use a dull knife.
Really?
Right. Yeah, real. I'm going to cut this into some nice little dice, a nice dice. Simplest way that you would do that is you would start with the knife. You cut the onion directly in half using your claw, keep your thumb back, and go right down the middle. Boom. Take this other half. Okay, so you have a nice clean onion here. Okay, the first cut you want to make is you want to hold it nice and flat, like this, and you want to cut it evenly up into it, straight across. And then you want to do that again, and you want to do it again until you get into a reasonable zone.
Okay.
Then, with the root side, you're going to cut towards the root, straight down, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Just keep doing that. until you get to a spot where you're getting too close to the edge. And of course, bring it into your body, that little piece, and we're gonna cut straight across. In this case, you wanna use the back of the knife and the claw method again, and just go to town. You'd be amazed at how fast you can get through an onion, a nice sharp knife. And you can just turn it, keeping your flat down, keep it nice and flat, rotate it, get into these pieces, turn it again, turn it again, and not quite a you're actually never really supposed to do what I'm showing you to do right now, but for some reason it just didn't go through the way I wanted it, so I'm just going to mince it up a little bit more. Not adding any pressure, just chopping through. And now we have an onion, nice and cut.
Nice.
Ready to go, not a tear in the room. So Ellis, man, yes. What do you think about the Work Sharp Culinary Sharpener?
I love it.
I tell you, to me, this product has improved my knife's game 100%.
The way it sharpened the knives, I'll slice and do everything like butter.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it gave me the perfect dice that I need. It gave me the perfect slice that I need.
Yes.
I think my wife's going to be happy with the chunks and things that we have around here. But the Work Sharp Culinary Sharpener, what do you think? Is it?
I would definitely recommend this to all my friends.
And I think you guys should get this. Honestly, this is one of the best products I've had. Work Sharp Culinary Sharpener.
For all your dull knives.
Hey, we're at that point again. If you like what you saw,
you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share.
Don't be a stranger.
BFAM!
We'll see you next time.
Peace.